Hey guys, we received this adult Santa Claus dress for the coming up Christmas, or you can also use it in Halloween, like or in a any fancy dress competition or something. So this comes in a nice pack, and this have all the accessories and the full kit. So let me just open and show it to you. So this is all vacuum packed, so I have to just cut and get everything out. So this have this like the gift bag, the accessories like the shoe cover or the belt. So I will show it that. And this is the main like the trouser and the coat for the Santa. So soft material as I can feel and nice bright color with a zipper. So you can see like it's a nice fabric and the nice thing is a large size with the hat and everything. So the accessory pack have all this the belt, shoe cover, wig and everything. So this is the wig that you can wear on your head. So these are the small gift pack or the pouches, and this is the shoe cover that goes on top of your shoe. So this is the gift bag just to put your gifts in. So the material is fine, for occasional wear, and is comfortable as well. So the gloves and the hat. So I will try to show you everything that comes in this package so that you know what you are getting. And then this is the wig, and so the beard. So this is the beard. So this is how this looks like when you wear the whole dress. And these are really nice with the shoe cover and everything. So fits well and looks nice as a good Santa for this upcoming Christmas. So you can have fun with your kids and Merry Christmas and enjoy the dress, enjoy the festival, and enjoy everything. Hope you like this as well.